Make money as a student. Are you a college student or have recently graduated and are wondering about how to make money? Well, we all have. Today, there exist so many skills to make money, and that's exactly what this vlog will help you out with. We have listed 2021's top 10 digital marketing skills to make money online. Also, these skills can be used to bag full-time jobs at top companies as well. In fact, you can start earning right now by selling these skills on freelancing websites. Freelancing has gained a lot of popularity recently, and they have their own perks and benefits. Now, all you need to do is find the right place to learn these skills and be dedicated to learning them. Having substandard expertise will make it difficult for you to get jobs. Thus, you should be passionate about learning the skill you have an interest in. Working online seems like it's going to be the new normal, and it's only been elevated because of the ongoing coronavirus crisis. However, this turns out to be better news for students who are intending to earn money online while being at their homes. Now that the digital wave is growing boundless, anyone with internet access can virtually learn anything. But what are the skills that are worth learning among the numerous alternatives we find on the internet? This is a demanding question that we will try to answer in this video. So let's quickly look at the high profitable skills to make money in 2021. Social media marketing. Billions of people use Facebook and Instagram. Thus, it is clear that if a company disregards social media marketing, it will only lead to losing opportunities for brand building. This makes social media marketing skills immensely important. Every business, small or large, needs to have a social media account, and along with that needs is to be constantly active on it. Thus, they need professionals to plan and manage their social media accounts. A social media marketing executive deals with scheduling software, plans, and executes a calendar of social media posts across Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and more. Their task also includes executing strategies to elevate engagement for a brand or increase brand awareness, which in turn will increase sales. Well, nowadays, everyone knows how to manage account on social media, whether it's YouTube or Instagram. And learning marketing is not that tough. One can learn it by just giving it a week. You can earn $500 to $1,000 in a month with this amazing skill. Website development. Website development needs special mention as it is unquestionably one of the most important skills to make money. For building a website, you should use tools that make your work simple by converting a design into a real website. There are a lot of no-code tools available so that the website can be created with absolutely no coding knowledge. And the fact that every business needs an online presence via a website to showcase their services, products, and more, the demand for the same will always be flattering. Now, there are a lot of ways to build websites. However, the one we suggest is WordPress. Why? Because it's extremely easy to learn and use. Not only is it easy to use for you as a developer, but it is also easy to use for someone who is just an editor and only wants to modify content on your website. Understanding the basics like changing a theme or installing new plugins to improve your website's functionality is simple and will not require a lot of time. However, if you want to dive into the core of website development and want to be able to make as many changes as you wish, then you need to learn coding languages like HTML, CSS, PHP, and JavaScript. Again, learning to code can be overwhelming at first, but there are tons of amazing web development courses available online that can teach you coding. It's a bit more time-taking skill, but absolutely worth it. You can build a website in 24 hours. You can earn way more with this skill. Copywriting. A copywriter's job is to form compelling ad copies to sell products, educate and engage consumers, writing product descriptions, email blasts, banner advertising, and more. Their job also includes brainstorming on concepts and develop storyboards. They work with marketing and other creative teams or departments to refine communication strategies and ensure continuous brand messaging. If you intend to become a good copywriter, then besides writing grammatically correct texts, you should also focus on mastering techniques of brand recall. Learn to evoke responses from people. A good copywriter is expected to have a better understanding of the human psychology behind every buying decision, write or form compelling ad copies, and come up with catchy jingles for brands. Correct copywriting skills will enable you to make good landing pages, sales pages, and email sequences to grab the attention of people. You will find a plethora of instructions on how to become a professional copywriter on the internet. To start with, you can read a few detailed articles and try joining a course that will only help you understand copywriting progressively. Copywriting is a highly recommended skill for students who are looking for a way to side hustle on the internet with no special skill like web development or more. SEO. Search engine optimization is the process of increasing website traffic through organic search results. An SEO specialist improves the ranking of their website by working on both aspects, quality and quantity. Their job is to optimize the website content and by doing so, attract an ample number of genuine visitors to the website. SEO strategies keep evolving speedily. The reason being, the SEO specialist needs to keep a close track of the search engine algorithms. Hence, website optimization is a continuous or never-ending process. While SEO improves your organic search, Google Analytics enables you to understand user behavior, measure marketing efforts, and make well-informed decisions. One of the key advantages of these behavioral metrics is that it provides SEO specialists with valuable information on which pages get the most engagement. This was it, folks, for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel for future updates. Cheers!